This is what it looks like. It's the offcuts of the salmon, right? It's the bits that people don't like to buy a lot, but there are some people that don't mind this part of the salmon, and that's what I've got here. So I'm gonna put it in flour and then fry it, and then have it with my meal. You know, I've got sapasui and taro. Okay, so I'm gonna fry it. So hang about, won't be long. So here's the floured salmon bits. Gonna fry it in the oil. Okay, there we go. Anyway, I'm gonna fry these offcuts. Okay, doesn't always have to be the flash stuff you eat, you know. And you get these offcuts. You know, people. See, those are the big bits. Here's the ones that's already cooked. It doesn't take long to cook. Probably 1 minute each. Each side. I don't know. Why do I say 1 minute? I don't even know. I just look at the colour. If it looks nice and brown, yeah, well, vela. Okay, guys. Yeah. So I'm going to cook it all up. All this, all that, all that. And then I'm going to eat it. Okay? Eat it with my taro. Where do I? Look at that, look at that. Ooh, ooh. Yeah. So, you know, all this costs only $2. So you bring it home, do it the way you want, and then either swear it or fry it like this. Yeah. More yellow fish and dips. Nay. Never ate. Cutting up. Oh, hey, there's a bit black, that one, but I like that colour. That one, that one, yes. That one, Okay, I'll show you guys later. Talofa guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's mukbang is about, you know, the salmon offcuts? Well, they have the offcuts, right? And it's like, so, okay. This is the fish. And underneath the fish, it has the soft bit. Well, they chop it off the salmon. And then people like us that don't mind, we go and get it. See? This is how thin it is. Fried. And I got sapasui. See? Sapasui and a couple of pieces of galo. So I thought I'd add in some cucumber. The little baby size. They just got born, plucked, and I may, yeah, if I eat some mukbang. And drink today is, yes, red cordial and orange. Stop. It's quite nice. Anyway. Got my galo. Look at that. Galo. And salmon. Ko kiki a masa ale sapasui le whainga ringi. Whamneo. Great one. I do a mess masima. Okay. Alright. See guys, the reason why I wanted to do this, because I wanted to show you guys those offcuts can still be delicious to get and eat, right? Alright, what you have to do, pull out the bones like the chicken wings. Hey, that second bone, you better behave yourself, okay? Do you know the viewers is watching me, And if you season it nice, and flour it, it's really nice, right? See? Fried nicely. Yeah, have a bite. You just have to be careful with these things here. You don't want to swallow these guys. You'll be at the hospital. Or you'll have to wait till it comes out naturally. No. Alright. This is lovely. Look at that. Wow. So, how's everyone? So, guys, salmon offcuts. So if you see it at the fish shop, don't be scared of it. Go in and get some. Only costs $2. Oh, all this. Only weigh $2. And all you have to do, season it, flour it, fry it. And then who's your auntie? That's right, Bob. I need to find out who stole my mukbang spoon from the spoon cupboard. Someone left my mukbang spoon and taken it. Well, this is Sapasui. No. One. Oh yeah. Okay. So my older daughter, who we call Mata, but her birth name is Crystal. She's going to take her siblings to the movies. Noah, Chilo and Geneva, they're all on movies. My older kids, they're going to Hayden's son's first birthday. Got my mouth really make work way up. Anyway, right. So Hayden is a Barangi. I call him my white son. And his son to this girl from Korea. Well, they met, fell in love. She's a really nice girl, you know. She takes care of my white son when they're going somewhere, like if he gets really drunk, guess who's there? Her. Okay, as the boys, they saw how good she was, you know? She's a good woman. Good. That's what every boy needs, is a good woman. And what every woman needs is a good man. You know? Her partners are supposed to complement each other. Oh wait, right. Ta-da! Yeah. I tell you what, these salmon, no, you just get the bones. You don't need the bones. Yeah, I see a lot of people buy this, right? I saw this Tongan man, he came and he bought heaps, but he put the head, the tail, this part. So me, being so nosy, I said, what are you going to do with that? He goes, I'm going to roast it in the coconut cream. It's lovely, nice for me to eat. So I thought, okay, I believe you. Yeah, so I mentioned to my husband, like, because we never buy it, so I said, I saw this Tongan man go buy all this, you should go and buy us some, so we can find out what it's like. And what happened? My husband, did it, no, he flew, like Superman, and he went and got us some. Not these ones, before. And no, but absolutely nice. I find that if you cook it with coconut cream like a sueta, it's like rich. It's so rich. This is good. This is good. You know what my husband got for him for his fish? He got him I can't remember. Kingfish head, and you fry it. Bob's your auntie. These days, I just buy my mum like fillet fishes, because she used to be champion. You know, our parents say, you know, people, a professional, suốt bốn ngày vì lấy bè ai, ngày đấy qua quay cũng, và sinh là phải phải mà đúng cúi bữa đàn mẹ, về tụ phê mẹ, với bốn ngày vì phê mẹ, với ele mình cho lấy, because we professional, yeah, professional from way back. You know, the favorite part of my mom's what she liked the most back in those days was uluia. And you know what? The favorite part of the uluia that I like, especially snapper. It's got to be snapper. It's the makalita fish eye. Oh, yummy. I usually just get the teaspoon, pack it out, and Bob's your auntie. Let's look up what are we? Right, now, salmon. It's Sapasui. This one is meat, right? So nice, guys. May sauce rồi đấy. Yeah, Sapasui. Very nice. I wonder how my husband's going with frying his fish. He said, "Can you fry mine?" I said, excuse you, I've got a mukbang to do. You can make any food taste good. Just gotta, know how to season it good. Can you hear that noise? He's probably frustrated in the kitchen. Hey. But live on follow my little fire me a mukbang. And so I made a night full made a night and may come fly. So let a cook out there for it. If you make trouble my ear, be long, be more. I got some madanga, so already washed. Yeah, it doesn't take long to fry. No biggie. But no. He wants to sit and watch TV, and at the last minute he says, "Oh, can you fry it now?" And I don't know my feeling. I won't bang back. What? That's actually nice. I crunch down the bones real soft. Right. I know some of you have been saying for me to do more cooking, but I've been thinking about that. But my food is going to be all about pho food. Not that there's much of it. I'll try, okay? Or go over to Vinny Vlogs. He cooks too. He cooks lovely food. So guys, go Vinny Vlogs and check him out. He's awesome, and he's got he stays with his grandparents. I love people that looks after their parents, you know. Well, I really do. And I've got a few shout outs, guys, because I've been uploading videos and there's no time to shout it up because I'm out about, you know, round and round. Oh my gosh, I just remembered. I am up now to 4,000 subscribers, guys. Whawhite love it. Thank God. Thank you, God, for, you know, believing in me. Yes, he must be the only one that believed in me because my kids sure didn't. Anyway, thank you to subscribing to my channel. I've got 4,000 subscribers. I'm very fortunate. I'm not like the other ones, but hey, slowly but surely, you just do your videos. Guys, who put up a new video? Who? Oh, I've been watching some new YouTubers. Guys, I'm so proud of yous. So proud. Yeah, keep going, Moira, keep going. Come on, keep going. Come on, tell your family, put up their videos. We're going to have a lot of channels to watch. You know how back in the days you only have a certain amount of channels in New Zealand? Well, on YouTube, if there's more people with their channels, there'll be a lot of channels for us to go and watch. What do you think? My daughter goes, Mom, your channel should be really, like, got more subscribers than that. And I said, listen, I'm just thankful for the subscribers I got. What are you talking about? She goes, no, it should be by now. And I said, listen, my baby. Wait. Look, I'm an old lady. There's a lot of the young ones out there that won't want to watch my channels because they're young. They want young channels. So, and I've seen some young channels coming up, and good on them because, come on guys, come on. Guys, people are coming up with this channel, and I am happy. And I've seen with Chelsea and Victoria, they went to Samoa and drinking the new, and I was thinking, send me a new. Because they were going to Samoa, right? Oh, good on them. Yeah, it'll be so good. If I had some daughter-in-laws, son-in-laws that would surprise me with overseas trip, to be awesome. So Victoria, if you're watching this video, because Victoria says she watches my channel. Love you, Victoria. Victoria, I sure see. May God fill your purses with more money to do your lives, because you guys did a really nice thing bringing over, you know, the mum, especially you, Victoria, because you're the one that planned it, and she got there and she enjoyed herself. Good on you. Now, where are my daughter-in-laws? Where are my daughter-in-laws? I don't want to go to Bali. Hint, 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 I do. Guys, see how I'm tucking this? Now the manga here, look, manga here for you. So I'm so happy I saw that Tongan man take these, because the reason people are just buying and eating, and I'm missing out. Yeah, so Guys, look, this is very tasty. Very, 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 very tasty. It was something that I said to someone I was going to cook live. Alright. What I'm trying to do, I'm trying to get my kitchen in order. I'm going to cook from the garage. Right? So, I'm in my own little environment, in my own little cooking kitchen sort of thing. And I do my bukas, so no one coming, oh mum, I need to use the microwave. Oh mum, I need to do this. Oh mama. No. I don't know, I love it, mate. Really life it again. Yep. Yeah. There you get me out of The peppers what I wanted to show you guys is, I want to let you guys know that the offcut pieces that you guys see, you think it might not be nice. Food, you can make it taste the way you want. I'm going to shut you guys out before my camera dies. Okay. So, here goes the first one. See more bang. Wala wa pisa mai. Wa karo fa shoko do. Awa mo lang ay. Kêu pha long mai fa. Kêu pha long mai. Ya pa u se roi make ko le ngau. Ra pe ko ali ang la ko do. Hey, like I said, I could have fried it if you came earlier. I would have even gone bland, because I would have done it. I don't mind cooking. I don't mind. Anyway, so the first shout out goes to, so sorry, look, I apologize right now. So sorry if I read your names wrong, but it's going to be down there, so you're going to see your name for yourself. Okay, guys? Okay. So, the first name goes to Ryak Stowers. So, hello, Ryak Stowers. SP or Ole. Okay. And then there's Samoan Pride for Ole. And then there's Fizz. So, there's Fizz. So, Ileva. Hello, this is WHRA21. So hello girl, thank you for always commenting and saying hello. Yeah, okay. Sales PT going to, she said that she's going to Samoan to look after her parents. She was commenting about me hanging out with my mum and stuff like that. So she was saying that she's going to look after her parents in Samoa. Oh, God bless you. God bless you for that. You know, it's a wonderful thing looking after your parents, because you only get one set of parents. There's Marty Karote, and then there's Aubrey Eats. Now Aubrey Eats has a channel, guys, so go and check her out. Check this channel out, Sky Rays Eats. And then I want to say hello to Liv Lualua. Liv Lualua has been commenting me here and there, but I didn't know that she's my best friend's niece. You know, the best friend I was telling you guys, she was like my best friend and like a sister to me and a bodyguard. That's her niece, lives in Melbourne. So hi Liv, how are you? Thank you for letting me know. And then there's Nico.Oti, hello. And Sopu Shark, hello Sopu. And the V family, hey guys, watched your channels and I love it. Thank you very much for, you know, go and watch the V family, guys. Oh, good videos put together. Then there's Leslie Pika Au. Yeah, anyway, Diana K. Maunga Otinga. And then there's Annalie Frodua, hello. And then Kingdom Come, thank you so much. You're the last one that's on the book. I saw 2 more names, but I thought, no, I've got to do that for the next time. Now, most of these names I've never shouted before. I think there's 1 or 2 that I've shouted before, but that's months and months ago. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for leaving a comment, and thank you so much for visiting even. Don't forget, guys, if you find good food that you can put together as a meal, you go ahead. I'll fight. But don't forget, do your channels, guys. Do your channels. Upload. Do your channels. And don't forget to look after your parents and say hello to all your family that you haven't said hello to for a long time. And praise God, okay? Always give God the praises. But I'm going now. I'm going to go and see if my husband's finished cooking his food. Just in time. My kids are here from the meeting. Okay. Bye now, guys, because good timing, eh? I was just saying goodbye. Yeah, okay. You guys take care. Hey, stop it. Lion King couldn't have been that good. Yeah, they went to Lion King.
I want to turn it off.
Stop it. See my baby's broken arm? Oh.
Don't look at it, touch it a bit.
Yeah. Yeah, how was Lion King?
Good. You want me to tell about it?
Don't. We're going to Lion King tomorrow. Don't you dare touch me. Anyway, I said, yeah, don't tell me, baby. So I'm going to go take my mama tomorrow to the movies to see Lion King. Meow, 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 meow. Get lost. Yeah, pass so far. Yeah, turn it off.